Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About the square root of x represent about x to the power of 1 over 2. Next, x multiplied by x to the power of 1 over 2, we have x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. So 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. Next, the square root of this one, we will have about x to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. And this one we have 3 over 4. So x represent about number 1. So 1 plus 3 over 4 in here. Next, this one we have 7 over 4. Next, so 7 over 4 multiplied by the square root, so that is about 1 over 2. This one we have 7 over 8. So this one multiplied by x and x to the power of negative number 3. So this one we have 15 over 8. This one we have negative 17 over 8. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx, we have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So this one we have 23 over 8. Similar for this one. This one we have negative number 9 over 8. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.